Guys, it's finally time. I've been waiting so long to do this mod. I've been trying to order this from a company, Amazon, eBay once more, and after 4 times of ordering, I finally received one of them. So I present to you box. Well, it's not much of a box anymore. I present to you box. I'm not gonna toss it. Some of you guys probably or maybe already knows what the heck this is, because there's 2 of them, there's a pair, and let's open this box. This box, man. Dum, da-da-dum. Nice little adapter that we won't be needing. And there you go. I've been trying to order this from 4 different companies, websites, sellers, whatever. And I finally got it. So I am excited to install this. I've probably waited like 2 months to get these. And also, of course, I've got the other one as well. So without further ado, let's install these. I realized that I didn't even welcome you guys to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, hello. This is me. I'm working on my Miata and modifying it to be my dream car, probably. It's from 1996. It's imported to Sweden from California, and I've got the 1.8 liter engine, which is nice. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I've installed coilovers and this offset bracket. That's pretty much it. Yeah, welcome. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, COLLISIXN, it's on the screen, bang. And also please subscribe if you enjoy this type of content and want to see this car transform into a cool one. But anyway, let's get into this install. And what is the first thing we need to do? Oh my god. That is cool. That is so cool. That is bright too. There it is. There's the original. Let's turn the high beams on. Those work. God damn. So the headlight also comes with this, except for the just plug. It comes with these two, and one of them is for the halo ring, and the other one is for the blinker. You can connect that to your OEM blinker so that this halo ring will also flash in amber. It does require some work. I'm not sure if I want it to flash amber. I'm not sure yet. Maybe in the future. However, for the halo ring, I do want that. So I'm thinking about putting that on a separate switch for the halo ring. I'm gonna have to figure something out. But for now, I'm just gonna be putting this plug-in and installing it back and adjusting the height of the beam. So yeah. Had to do some modifications because the headlight wouldn't fit flush into the housing. It will kind of sit wonky, and it's because of these, let's see if I can focus, because of these tabs. There you go. So I used a Dremel to take some material off. There are 3 tabs. There's one there, and the last one there. Let's see if it fits any better now. It does fit. I'm gonna take some more material off. I think I've taken off enough material for this to sit flush against the housing. Looks to be flush, so let's install it. Now, the only thing left to do is to match it up to the OEM headlights, the height, so I don't blind people when I roll up. Let's do that, and then throw back on the actual housing. This is probably pretty hard for you guys to see, but the new headlight is just a tad too high. So I'm gonna see if I can lower it. There we go. I just moved some stuff. See, the low beam could go a tad lower. Let's just take out the high beam. I'm gonna lower it just a tad. There. I think that looks good. You're also able to adjust it from side to side, but I don't think I'm gonna have to adjust that. So we'll call this a day and throw back on the housing and see the results. gotta say, I love these new headlights. My god, looks so good. Thank you guys for watching this video. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe, like this video if you liked it. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one.
And you and I, we got history, yeah.